Hello viewers, how are you all? Today's video I will show you how you can install WordPress on your website. The method I will use is manual. If you are using cPanel, then you can easily install your WordPress on your website by using Softopedia. But today I will show you a manual process how you can install WordPress to your website. So my hosting is Ionos. I am using Ionos hosting. First of all, you need to download the WordPress file. So search for WordPress download. Download WordPress 6.1. Okay. So the file will be downloaded. In this meantime, I will create a database. So if you have your cPanel or any hosting, then first you need to create a database. Now I am creating a database and I will use MariaDB10. Description, the website name, and I need a password. Okay, so I will save those passwords. Given the password and given a description about my website. So this is the basically my website that I will use today. Then save. My WordPress file is downloaded. The database is being ready. I will wait for it. Let's refresh. So here it is, the hostname, username, and the password that I given there. Okay, so let's do it together. This is the username. Okay, so this is the directory where my website is located. I need to upload the WordPress file here. Oh, sorry. Now manually I am uploading the WordPress framework here. So basically it is uploading. Now let's see the database here. This is our host name, this is the username and the password that we given before. Okay, I have uploaded the file, but the Ionos does not. I don't know why does the file I tried to upload, but it was not completed. So I have copied again, and now the file appeared. Then I have unpacked the file. Now we have set up our database, and manually we have uploaded the WordPress and unpacked here. Then we need to browse our website directly. If we directly enter the website, then it will automatically go to setup.config.php file. I will click continue. Then you can see welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you need to know following items: database name, database username, password, database host, table prefix. Okay, so we have to set it up. Now let's go. Okay, we need to set the database name. Here we can see the database name is DBS 16. Okay, I have given the database name, so I need the database username. This is the database username. We need the database password. My password is here. Copy it, the password, and paste. Okay, so database host, I need to provide the database host. This is the my database host I have copied. If you are using cPanel, then you may see database host is localhost. Okay, I have given the database host. Now submit. Now I need to run the installation. Now you can see we have got a form here. Now we need to give the site title. This is the site. I am giving a name. Now I will give a now I will provide a username, admin. Okay, this is the password. I am copying the password here. Your email. So here basically you need to provide an email address. I will provide a email address here, like admin@. Search engine visibility, it is not mandatory. If you need, then you can click here or not, no problem. I am giving it as it is a temporary site and I will use it for video purpose. Okay, let's install WordPress. Now log in. Now I have given the admin and password. So basically our installation is done. You can see the website here. Doesn't exist. Okay, maybe the theme is not there. Need to enable the theme. Now let's see. So it is done. That's it. This is a simple process, but it is manual. I hope you have understood. Thank you.